Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Code. It's provide the complete solution in your career. Netcore announced the new job opportunity for the fresher as a backend developer. Registration is open. Exam date start from 8th of November and close at 17th of November. Okay. Experience level is 0 to 8 years and location is for Mumbai. 0 to 8 year of experience in the backend development with the expertise in any one of the following programming language like Java and Go. So ability to write a clean code, strong knowledge in data structure and solving the complex problem, and good understanding of the concept of concurrency and abilities, and write a fluent tolerant code. Okay. So let me discuss the hiring process. A skill required for this job role: data structure and algorithms. In the first round you have the two questions. Time duration is 2 hours 30 minutes to complete this code. So you have the option to write the code in the Python and Java and Go. Okay. Test start from the 22nd of December 6 p.m. open till 7th of January. So you have clear this round, get the next round mail. Okay. So you have the two programming questions. You have the duration of 2 hours 30 minutes and you have to complete these two questions. In the second round have the same programming language Python, Java and Go. Okay. If you have the knowledge in any one of that programming language, you are able to clear this round. Okay. I will provide you the link in the description. Please check out this link and proceed your application. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to this channel for more updates.